Today, we're going to go on a little linguistic treasure hunt. We'll start with just one super common word and follow the clues to uncover this really fascinating system that was designed for crystal clear communication.
Okay, so our journey begins right here with a single page from the Simple English Wiktionary. The word is discussion, and at first glance it looks pretty straightforward, right?
And yeah, the definition is, well, it's pretty much exactly what you'd expect. It's clear, it's simple, and it explains the word perfectly. But, that's not the really interesting part.
Because hidden in plain sight on this very page is this little note that just opens up a much, much bigger story. So if you look right at the top of the entry, you'll spot this little sentence. It's so easy to miss, but trust me, it's the key to everything we're about to get into. I mean, think about that for a second. This isn't just any old word. It's a member of a pretty exclusive club. This one phrase is our ticket into a whole philosophy about language.
And that, of course, leads to the big question that I'm sure you're asking right now. What exactly is this list?
Okay, let's dive in. Time to decode what basic English is really all about.
So that number, 850, well, that's the whole concept right there. Basic English is a simplified, kind of controlled version of the English language that's built around a core vocabulary of just 850 words.
Now, the purpose here isn't to replace the full, beautiful complexity of English. Not at all. It's meant to be a tool, a way for people from totally different backgrounds to talk about complex ideas with, maximum clarity and minimum confusion.
So if we look back at our Wiktionary page, we can see exactly why discussion made the cut. It's a core noun, a total building block for the theme of communication, and it was chosen specifically because it's just so useful for getting essential ideas across.
But here's the thing, basic doesn't mean simple-minded or unimportant. As we're about to see, it's pretty much the exact opposite. Let's jump back to our source one more time, because tucked away under the definition, there's another tag. Get this. Not only is discussion a basic word, it's also on the academic vocabulary list, or AVL.
And I just think this is so cool because it illustrates such a powerful idea. The very same word can do two really crucial jobs. It's foundational enough for that core list of 850 words for everybody, but it's also essential for high-level academic communication.
So the crucial point is this. The words we think of as basic are often the most powerful ones we have. They're the bedrock, the foundation that all other complex ideas are built on. Simplicity is strength.
All right, so let's pull all these threads together. Let's look at the big picture we got from our little investigation.
I mean, think about it. We started with a single dictionary page. And just by pulling on that one tiny thread, we unraveled this whole system designed to make communication more accessible. And we discovered that the simplest words are often the most important ones, for both basic understanding and for really advanced thought. So I'll leave you with this final thought to kind of chew on. If a foundation of just 850 words is powerful enough to express pretty much any idea, what does that tell us about the purpose and the beauty of the hundreds of thousands of other words in the English language?